Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today, and this is a tutorial for beginners. I'll show you my method how to shade a realistic eye. In this video, I will be using smooth drawing paper, graphite pencils, namely HB, 2B, 4B and 6B pencil. So let's start with the drawing. First of all, you draw a circle and a slant line and draw the shape of an eye like this. Now we start shading the pupil with 6B pencil very carefully, not to draw over the light reflection because dark part not easy to erase. Shading the iris, find out where is the light has coming to define light and shadows. Remember, iris, which is beautiful colored part covered by a transparent corona, which has convex form. So let's start with the basic shading. I have used here HB pencil to give first light layer as base for the further shading. And I blend it with earbud. In order to give some taps to the eye, I use 2B pencil to little bit darker value. In this case, light is coming from the top and the shadows lies under the upper eyelids. Actually, every eye has a different structure. So, look at the details of pupil and shade accordingly. Now I am using 4B pencil to darken the shadows little bit and darken the edge of the iris. Once we done the shading of iris, now we are going to shade the eyeball. I have blended all the eyeball part with the earbud to give a smooth result. Remember that the eyeball never full of white, so we should have give some light shading in order to achieve some roundness. Here, draw the another line parallelly. And now I am shading the skin. Here I am using the HB pencil to give basic light shading. Again, in order to create illusion of 3D form, we need to pay attention to the light to see which parts of eyelids are lying in shadows. I usually use 2B pencil to shade it darker parts, and I create the values. Each layer is blended with soft earwords. Here I am blending the shaded portion with napkin paper. Here I draw the eyelashes. At first I use HB pencil, and be careful to keep your pencil sharp, or use mechanical pencil to create thin lines. Natural eyelashes are usually slightly curved. They are also grouping, overlapping, and have some various lengths. When I start drawing eyebrows, we use HB pencil to draw the basic shape. I draw the basic shape very lightly so I can easily erase the lines when I make a mistake. Before we start drawing the eyebrows, we should focus on the quality of strokes while drawing the individual hair, drawing thick and straight hair. If we look at the eyebrows, we can see the individual hair are always little bit thicker at the root part and they are thinner in the end. I tried to push the pencil against the paper little bit more in the beginning, and then I released the pressure gradually. And also I tried to create some slightly curved lines to achieve reality in lines. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe my channel to see my other tutorials which are coming. And see you next time. Bye bye.